Hello GTNation, how are you all doing today? I'm Alex and you can follow me on Twitter at AlexDoesCars. Today we're starting something new. A lot of you have been asking for general car news as well as news on Clarkson, Hammond and May. So from now on, Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'll be presenting this, your catch-up of the best news from the motoring world. If you're interested in learning more about what's going on in the world of cars, go over to GTNation.com for the latest news every single day. So, coming up in this video, Richard Hammond's workshop has been greenlit for a second series, the new Ferrari Purosangue SUV has been spotted in the wild, Grand Theft Auto 6 has been confirmed, and Lewis Hamilton returns from his social media blackout. Last week, Ferrari announced that the production of the upcoming Ferrari Purosangue SUV will begin in 2022. And while we didn't know much about it, a recent video has finally given us a closer look at the car. While it's still hidden beneath camouflage, we can see its overall shape, and it's safe to say it doesn't look like any other SUV currently on the road. Looking more like a lifted sports hatchback than an SUV, it looks nothing like its German competitors that have come in the form of the Lamborghini Urus and the Audi RS Q8. Its nose swoops downwards to what I expect to be a Roma-like front bumper design, and the rear doesn't look like it leaves much room for rear passengers or luggage. While we're not too bothered about SUVs at GTNation, we can't help but accept their place in the world as cash cows that help fund the more exciting products. Although judging from Ferrari's incredible record-breaking sales last year of 11,000 cars, I'm not sure the Italian marque quite needs it. Under the hood of the Purosangue, we're expecting a hybrid powertrain and potentially a V12 option after Ferrari promised to keep that engine layout for as long as it can. The car will also feature air suspension, all-wheel drive and an all-new platform. It may not be what we're wanting to see from Ferrari, but at least we know they'll do it right. We're likely to see the full reveal of the car later this year, with customers taking deliveries during 2023. Grand Theft Auto 5 has been around since 2013, can you believe that? It's been almost 10 years and the game is still one of the most popular on its consoles. But after the recent San Andreas fail, fans of the series are getting tired of hearing nothing about what's to come. Now Rockstar Games has announced that the next GTA title is currently under development. Unfortunately, there's very little information to go on, with the launch date still under wraps. It seems as though the studio is definitely enjoying keeping us waiting. They said the following: "With the unprecedented longevity of GTA 5, we know many of you have been asking about a new entry in the Grand Theft Auto series. With every project we embark on, our goal is always to significantly move beyond what we have previously delivered, and we are pleased to confirm that active development for the next entry in the Grand Theft Auto series is well underway. We look forward to sharing more as soon as we're ready, so please stay tuned to the Rockstar Newswire for official details." Regardless of when this new game comes, Rockstar Games will continue to update Grand Theft Auto 5 and Grand Theft Auto Online, and on March 15th, the company will be launching the two onto the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XJS. These versions will feature 4K resolution, up to 60 FPS, better textures and draw distances, and ray tracing, as well as HDR options. A one-time migration from previous gen consoles will also be available. F1 driver Sir Lewis Hamilton has returned to his public life after 2 months away from his social media, after the controversial ending to 2021's Formula 1 series at Abu Dhabi. That was a long sentence. Losing the season to Max Verstappen in such a manner caused the driver to take time away from his life in the public eye after his hopes of becoming the first F1 driver with 8 world championships to his name was taken away from him. But finally, he's returned to social media, breaking his silence with 6 words and a photo. "I've been gone, now I'm back." The photo shows the driver at the Grand Canyon in the US, which we assume he's travelled to with the hopes to clear his head before attacking the 2022 F1 season head-on. Mercedes has appealed to how the previous season ended, the results of which will be revealed after the next F1 Commission meeting on 14th of February. They will also be speaking to the drivers before this. A mere 4 days later, Mercedes will be revealing its new 2022 car, with them promising a reveal from their drivers Lewis Hamilton and George Russell. Then, on March 18th, 2 days before the 2022 season starts, the results of the appeal will be revealed to the public. Richard Hammond has confirmed that his Discovery Plus show Richard Hammond's Workshop has been greenlit for a second series. The first series of the show followed the Grand Tour presenter as he built his car restoration company from the ground up, similarly to Jeremy Clarkson on Clarkson's farm. Working alongside his family team consisting of Neil, Anthony and Andrew Greenhouse, they worked on some of the most sought after classic cars on the road while hunting for that all-important profit. Simon Downing, SVP Marketing Head of Factual and Docs UK at Discovery, what a mouthful, told the media the following. Richard Hammond's Workshop has been a standout series on Discovery Plus. We're delighted to again partner with Chimp Television and Krempelwood to bring viewers Series 2. The show reaches far beyond the motoring fanbase and has proved to be one of the most popular commissions through its deep dive into not only Richard Hammond's new business, but his life. We are thrilled to bring even more access and insight into the trials and tribulations of car restoration startup and the colourful characters who make the show uniquely entertaining yet real. Hammond also posted this to his Instagram account.
Yeah, we will. We will. That's really good. Thanks for letting me know. Thank you. Cheers. Bye. Yes! Oh, yes! Thundercogs are go! Go! Ray. We've been recommissioned, second series. We are back in business.
I thought we were in business.
Yeah, I thought we were in business.
Oh. Okay then.
Oh, that is good news. So, Richard Hammond's Workshop is coming back. Season 2 on Discovery Plus, and I will see you there. We better get busy. There's a lot to do. I'm going to tidy up.
The release date of Series 2 is yet to be revealed, but as always, we'll keep you up to date as soon as we hear more on GTNation.com. Might be a couple of days late on this. So there we have it. I'm really excited for the second series of Hammond's Workshop, but I have a question for you. Will Lewis Hamilton win the 2022 series, or will teammate George Russell, or any other driver for that matter, beat him to it? Let me know in the comments, and while you're down there, subscribe and like this video. It really helps out, and that way we know more of what you want and what you don't want. Probably me, more Clarkson, right? Yeah, probably. Thanks so much for watching. I've been Alex, and this is GTNation.com.